I hope everyone really enjoys it and hope it doesn't get too messy. Tell us a joke.
Okay, who can drink 5 litres petrol and not get sick? No, Jerry can.
It's Jerry!
It's not his fault, he's European.
Me. Does it stink? Does it smell like the boat Yeah, it does. Okay, here we go. Ready? What can I say? Alright.
Hey guys, Merry Christmas. It's that time of year again. I'm going to try every week to bring you out an episode and hopefully you guys get some enjoyment out of it, which obviously you are because the numbers are increasing, which is awesome. But anyway, I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a safe and happy New Year. I hope everyone really enjoys it. Anyway guys, I'll keep you updated as the night goes on and hope it doesn't get too messy. Anyway, talk to you soon. Bye, mate. I love your hat. I love your hat too. I love your hat as well. Yeah. Love your hat, though. A little Christmas elf. Turn around. Oh, I love the shirt. Love the shirt.
Me too.
Nice.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Have a Merry Aquaholiks Christmas.
Have a great Christmas.
That's it.
And Jetty,
There
say
you go.
Merry Christmas.
AJ.
Merry Christmas, guys.
That's it.
Have a great festive season.
Well done, buddy. Well done. Hey, come on.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
That's it.
I can't talk, I haven't got a beer yet. Merry Christmas.
Where's your hat?
Easter.
Sorry.
By the way, I'm drunk the old guy, so I'm not talking.
Merry Christmas.
Aquaholiks, mate, yeah. Merry Christmas.
Oh, you already done one?
Merry Christmas.
That's it. Alright, everybody. Yeah, Merry Christmas for everybody. Tell us a joke.
Okay, who can drink 5 litres petrol and not get sick? Can ya? No, Jerry can.
Who the hell is Jerry?
Jerry.
It's not his fault, he's European.
Can you go home now?
Leave him alone. Mad cow disease. Yeah, so there were 2 cows, and one cow said to the other cow, "Hey mate, have you heard about that, mad cow disease going around?" The other cow goes, "Mate, I'm a tractor."
And you think I am one of them? There you go.
So the cow's already gone mad?
Because he's mad.
Oh!
Here we go. Quick. That was trash.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
You gonna smash something?
Yeah, mate. What are you cooking, buddy?
Bit of fresh local nana guy. Bought by Aquaholiks.
That's it. And it's good to party. What are we eating? Fish. That's it.
It's almost done.
No, actually, looks like it is done. Especially those small ones. Looks like nice backdrop there, mate. Little fire behind there. Yum. It makes the fish burgers. Raymond, what is it like, buddy?
It's a Nana Guy burger.
Nana Guy burger, right?
Oh, it's really good. It's really good.
What do you reckon, buddy? What have we got here? What's up here?
Fish is over there.
What's in here? What's in here? Fish burgers.
Fish burgers. They're all got butter on them already. I like
This is the new sriracha, yeah? That's sriracha.
Good stuff.
I know, but you're putting it on there like this.
Worth 24.
That's sriracha mayonnaise.
And I have 10
Alright, so what's Tim making? He's making a cheese, yeah? Okay, he's putting cheese on.
Cheeseburger.
Yuppie sriracha mayo.
Right, so then Jane goes and puts some What do you put on there, Jay? Oh, you put
Like Gary?
What's that stuff? Nanagon. Oh, sriracha.
What?
Sriracha. Is that right? Spot.
So you put cheese in there as well, eh? You like the cheese?
Bit of cheese, sriracha, nanagon, and some lettuce leaves.
Yeah? Let's have a look. I'm going to follow you.
A bit of green shit.
Bit of green shit.
Spicy? Yeah, I'm ready for the big out.
That's all you need.
A little bit.
I'll pick that up. Thanks, John.
So good.
The dogs will get it and run around the building 150 times.
That's hot.
That'll make it, right? Yeah. A little bit from
Gary's going for the mayo.
Oh, don't forget the sriracha.
Oh, the sriracha. You actually introduced me to that, Gary. You know that, don't you? So we reckon, everybody? We reckon, Duff? Good? Good? Nice. Yeah? Out of 10? What do you reckon?
10. You ready? Show you what a Jewfish does, man.
Alright.
I can't do that.
I'm going to do this because it's Christmas. I'm going to do this because it's Christmas. That's it. Alright. Alright, you ready? Okay. Alright. So where's the rod? Holy shit. Raymond, you want to do it?
I'm coming to the tackle shop first.
Alright, jig, you want to catch a jig with? Which one do you think is going to catch?
The big Jewy, I think this one will.
Alright, grab that one.
I really think it's.
Alright, okay. I think it's a very good choice.
Very unique.
This is your prize. This is your prize.
This is the
The prize.
Let me go.
Here we go. Here we go. Alright, Raymond. Other side, Chase, other side. So you gotta leave. So you can have this Jewfish.
Yeah.
Alright? You can have this Jewfish. Careful, goggles. Be careful. Alright, now all we have to do is get that lure and land it in here. That's all we have to do. Right?
In where? In that?
In the crate.
In the stolen milk crate.
Alright, so that's it. So all you have to do is no, just wait. Just all you have to do is actually land that lure into this crate, you get that Jewfish. Alright? That's all you have to do. Seriously. In the crate, you get the Jewfish. You ready? Here we go.
Nope.
Oh, try it again.
That's why you work at Telstra. That's why you work at Telstra.
Ready? Here we go again.
Good luck.
Come on, mate.
Come on, big dog. Come here, big dog. You got one more shot. Come on, Raymond. One more shot, and then I have to Yeah, it does. Okay, here we go.
One.
Ready? What can I say?
Alright.
Real.
Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck.
Whoa, mate!
It's hooked up. No, it's not. It's gotta be real. Right-handed reel.
Watch your foot, Jay. Watch your foot.
It's a big one! Thank you! Where's the net? That's what you need.
That's it.
You guys are full of it.
Where is it? Where's your fish?
Oh, the fish! Oh, I've got the fish. Frozen fish.
Good morning! Aquaholiks time. I'm with Jade and a mustache. Hey Jade. Oh yeah, that's on my. Oh shit!
Ah, got the dog!
Got the dog. This is a good fish. All right.
That's a good fish!
It's been a good day so far.